Yo! For today's video, pakita natin yung mga pangmalakasan at mabilisang tali na laging ginagamit sa barko. Let's go! Habang tambay kasi sa gangway, nag-aantay ng clearance para makabitaw na dito sa malamig na lugar na to, nakita namin si Kadete nagpa-practice ng mga tali-tali, so nilapitan namin. Nanasi! Ella! Nagpa-practice daw siya paano magtali ng bowline. Ang bowline kasi ang pinakagamit, pinakamabilis at pinaka-effective na way ng pagtali ng lubid at sobrang dali din niyang kalasin. Kaya tinatawag nating King of Knots ang bowline. You know the normal bowline? Yeah. Show me. Pero bago tayo pumunta sa mabilis na paraan, pakita muna natin yung normal way na pagtali ng bowline. Okay.
Up,
Like this, down, up, and then down,
up,
put inside. Bure. So, ulitin natin. Gawa tayo ng bilog, tapos ipasok sa loob galing sa ilalim, idaan sa likod ng isang lubid at ipasok uli galing sa ibabaw. Ganun lang kadali. This is the bowline, eh?
yes,
The normal way. I will show you the fast one.
fast,
Yeah, yes. Good?
yes,
Bowline. One more time. Because I make isang malaki yun. So, one circle. And then you take this one up. And then you put inside. And hold it here. And then, you heave up this one. Pero syempre, hindi magpapatalo si maestro. Meron din siyang pangmalakasan. Pore, 1 second, Dre. 1 second. Tanase, can you do it? Can you do it? Aba, oo naman. Maliit na bagay. Sisiw lang yan. Re. What? Slowly, boss. Slowly. Ang bilis, no? Pero pag tiningnan mo talaga, hindi siya yung normal na bowline. Sige, dahan-dahan. Ay, hindi pala pwedeng dahan-dahan yan, eh. Same like Boston, but this is the fastest one. Hey! Ella, Re!
oh, shit,
How many seconds? This only 1 second, eh?
oh,
Boston is 3 seconds. One more time, eh? Tanasi,
Yes.
make like this and like this. This is much faster, eh? See? Ulitin ko po, unahan ko na yung magko-comment. Ako na yung magsasabi. Hindi ito yung normal na bowline. Ang tawag dito ng iba ay tugboat bowline o tagline bowline o kaya flying bowline. All this one, tagline, tugboat bowline or flying bowline.
bravo,
In case of emergency, for example, you don't have time and you want to make it quickly. See, it's not the actual bowline. It's the flying bowline or the tagline bowline. It's also easy to untie. See?
better helicopter,
Better helicopter, eh? Helicopter.
Helicopter, helicopter. Paracofer.
helicopter,
Oh, here. Okay, finish. Who win? You win, eh, Lara?
Helicopter, helicopter.
Opa! Almost. You like, eh?
helicopter.